So you know how to play a few drum beats, add some fills, and create your own phrasings. Now it's time to add some color to your drum beats by splashing the hi-hat. And in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to relay this idea to the ride cymbal, giving you more versatility on the drums. My name's Chad Peters, and welcome to the Xgroove. Bringing up our first drum beat, it's a simple rock beat. Now we're going to change the character of this drum beat by splashing the hi-hat on the and of 4. And this is indicated by a small circle icon above the note. Now to splash the hi-hat, you're simply going to lift your foot off of the pedal as you play the note, and then close the hi-hat as you play the next note, like this. So let's see how it sounds with the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, checking out our second drum beat for this lesson. This time we're going to splash the hi-hat on beat 3 with the kick drum. Now this is going to add a nice punch to that open hi-hat, just like when you play your kick drum with the crash cymbal, like this. So let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. For your third exercise, we're going to combine the ideas from exercises 1 and 2 to create a 2-measure phrasing. And not only is this going to help develop your phrasing, but because of the extra moving parts, this is going to help develop your concentration as well. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's time to challenge your coordination and your focus. For your lesson challenge, we're going to add some variations to the hi-hat and incorporate some of the fills from my previous drum fill lessons. Now this is an 8-measure phrasing, so if you need to, take it 1 measure at a time, slowly moving into 2, 3, 4, and eventually all 8 measures. So when you're ready, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One of my favorite things about splashing the hi-hat is that you could take any drum beat and add more color and character to it. And on top of that, this adds a secondary rhythm within the 8th note hi-hat pattern, creating more groove and flow to the beat. Now, relaying this idea to the ride cymbal, let's first change the hi-hat to the ride cymbal on the staff like this. Now for the 8th note portion, you're going to play on the body of the ride, and for the splashing portion, you're going to move your stick over to the bell of the ride. And for your reference, at the end of this video, I'm going to play the lesson challenge on the ride cymbal so you can get an idea of how it's supposed to sound. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and if you want to continue to learn about more drumming concepts like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time. 1, 2, 3, 4.